Hello everyone,
Hi there.
welcome to Hey Ho Let's Tour. We're at the Caravan. And there we go, the insides of the Caravan.
Still there then?
Still there. The Caravan is due its next annual service, and as part of its warranty we have to obviously get it done. So we're down here, we're just going to give it a check over, clear it out, move it all into the car. Not that we've used it in about 6 months.
We do feel bad, we do miss it actually. Coming into the Caravan, you just remember what sort of a nice space it is, isn't it?
Yeah, and the happy times you've had here.
Yeah, so we do need to get out a bit more.
But we'll tell you all about that in a minute. Well, let's just get the Caravan emptied first, and then we'll give you an update of what we're up to. Now, we did move all the bedding back, and we're never quite sure what you need to empty out for it to get serviced. I know they need to get access to the floor so they can do damp checks and access to some of the bits and bobs, but you don't need to empty the whole thing out, do you? So what I'm going to do is definitely get the carpets all up and anything that's covering the floor and put it in the car. And there's some stuff under the bed I think we need to move out. Yeah, the Acroll and the Wastemaster and the microwave and some bits of wiring.
Chairs.
We'll have to get all that out and stick it in the car. Right, we didn't bore you with doing it all, but let's just say we've emptied as much of the Caravan as we can.
And we chose the hottest day so far to do it on.
It's absolutely roasting. Dripping with sweat. Glowing.
That's that workout, isn't it?
Yeah. So it's red hot. I think because the Caravan's been closed up for a couple of weeks as well with the heat. It's been quite a hot summer, hasn't it? So far, it's a lot of heat in here. So if we've locked up the fridge door, because what happens on our storage is because we're stored at the same place that we bought the Caravan from. So what they do as part of the service is when the service is getting done, which is in a few weeks, they'll hitch it all up, take it into the servicing area, do what they need to do and put it all back on site. So you just make sure it's all ready for travel.
It's really handy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a really good service. I mean, it must be quite hard, especially if you go and buy a Caravan at one of the big NEC shows, and you bought it from somewhere that's 2 or 3 hours away. It must be an absolute pain to pack it all up to take it somewhere else. And we weren't sure how much exactly to take out. And we've had a couple of services before.
Yeah.
We haven't completely emptied the Caravan. We've given them access to areas on the floor mainly so they can do the damp testing, because I think the only bit of this Caravan that can possibly get damp is the floor itself, the only bit that's made out of wood, isn't it?
Yeah, so we're quite lucky like that, really.
And I think they test the electrics and they test the gas and they've got access to all the bits they need to, so we haven't completely gutted it and left the whole Caravan empty, have we?
No.
So,
Plus we are hoping to get away, aren't we?
one day we will get away. Yeah, so on that topic, I know we haven't been very forthcoming with vlogs recently, being away in the Caravan. I think the last one we went away for was the back end of last year, 2025. So we haven't been able to get away at all this year, and it's a mixture of all sorts of stuff. We've had lots of personal stuff that's happened that's made it not really in the mood for going away in the Caravan much.
Yeah, I think with Esther starting secondary school, she's just been kind of finding her feet as well, and like, wanting to spend weekends with friends and make little friendship groups and stuff. So
yeah, her interest, because she's like now a teenager, she used to love going away in the Caravan, and she probably still will do, but her interest in going away for like 2 or 3 days sat in a boring Caravan has drifted off a bit. So I'm sure she will come with away, and she's too young we can't exactly leave her on her own, so
yeah,
it sort of restricted us a little bit on getting away. But we've got plans. She likes coming to theme parks with us, she likes doing days out with us. It's just the extended away breaks that she's not so keen on.
Yeah, and we have had a thought as well about being able to sort of get her to be able to bring a friend with her. We were thinking of maybe having, like, we've got a small tent, haven't we?
Yeah.
We were thinking, could we stay in the Caravan and could she share that tent with her friend? Like, is it possible to have it next to your Caravan?
Yeah, instead of the awning there.
Awning.
Could we take a tent with us, like little pup tents, as I think they were called in the old days? Or could we just put the awning up and put some sleeping bags in it? I don't know. We're trying to have a solution so she can come away with friends and she's got people more her own age and she can go off and do, and they can do the TikToks and the dances and the singing.
You sound like you know what you're talking about.
I've no idea. And we can do the boring stuff like going for walks and beautiful countryside and oh look,
pubs.
There's a swallow. Let's take a photograph of it as sort of people do. We've never done that in our lives, but you know we could do grown up stuff, and she can do hanging out with her friends, if you know what I mean. So yeah. I think she's just got at that age at the moment, and she'll maybe she'll come back into the fold a bit more as she gets older and she's whatever. But at the moment, it's been hard to say. If you watch our other channel, HHLT Theme Parks on YouTube, also please you will see us on that if you want to see us. If you miss seeing us doing stuff, go to there. You'll see us mainly going around theme parks and stuff like that. We've been to Spain and stuff like that. And she loves doing that sort of stuff. That's one thing she's really interested in. We love doing it with her because we've really got the bug at the moment, haven't we, for going on roller coasters and what have you.
So I mean, does that mean that we can't do caravan and motorhome now because we want to take that tent for her to be able to bring a friend? Does that mean we're just going to be stuck on Caravan and Camping Club now?
I don't know. Do they Caravan and Motorhome Club still allow tents, don't they?
No, I don't think they do. Is that not the whole thing that doesn't have
maybe they don't.
Camping in it? I don't know. If you've done this before and you've got some suggestions, or if you know what's possible, let us know.
And if you've got any suggestions near, if you know any good campsites that are near any of the main theme parks, because that's the main thing we can take her to. We try to vary it up a bit if we do go there. Yeah. Somewhere near Alton Towers or Thorpe Park, or even far down as Poulton's Park.
Chessington,
down south.
Creeley.
Creeley, Flamingo Land, Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Any of those theme parks, if you can think of any campsites or caravan sites that we could go to and new places to visit, leave them in the comments and we can look at and add it in the itinerary, and it'll give us a chance to get out more, won't it?
Yeah, definitely, because that's what we're hoping to do, especially in summer. We're hoping to get out a bit more, aren't we?
Exactly. And we do have a trip planned. We're going into Europe to see some theme parks again. Not that we're obsessed, but we're just taking the car and stopping at some hotels.
I think it's because we just want to see the route first before we delve into like taking our first European trip with a caravan. We'd like to go and check the roads out first.
Yeah. And also I'm not the world's most confident tour, as I've said in previous vlogs, and just towing in the UK gets me a little bit on edge sometimes before we do it, and then thinking of towing on the wrong side of the road and all the other things that come with it, and getting on Eurotunnel stars and all that. At the moment, I just get me mind sorted on doing it, and we probably will do it at some point in the future, but it's just easier to do it at that. And so that's the plan, is we're just going to drive down in the car, and that should be quite an exciting adventure. So if you do see HLT, we'll probably vlog in some episodes on that in the near future. But apart from that, we have no plans to sell the caravan. We have no plans to upgrade it to a camper van, or we've had a few.
Ooh,
that's
great. That's mean.
Downgrade to a camper van. We just we will get away in it soon. It's as I said, it's just been a lot of little circumstances and stuff that's been going on. This year has just been a bit of a write-off so far, and I know a lot of other people have found it hard. Camping fees have gone up and up and up, and I know a lot of people have, and I know a lot of campsite things have actually reduced.
And the fuel prices just as well.
The fuel price and everything. It's just made it harder to be an affordable hobby, if you know what I mean, or an affordable pastime. But we will get away in it. I'm sure we'll go away in the next coming weeks. But we just thought we'd give you a bit of an update. I think I did promise on the end of my last video the next time you see us we'll be away in the caravan. Well, we're away-ish in the caravan.
We are looking currently at booking something, but it's just we've got a few runs coming up and sort of.
Yeah, you've been doing a lot of running and stuff like that, and I've been lazy. But thanks for watching anyway. Thanks for sticking with the channel. We will promise more caravan content. We're going to have a wander home where we're based. They've just done a massive renovation of the showroom and the outside, and loads of new caravans and camper vans. So we're going to have a look around that at some point as well in the future. That's a possible video we can do.
Definitely.
I'll probably do a follow-up vlog, because as I say, the service is due. We'll do a follow-up vlog on that. Hopefully a trip away. And I'd say if you do miss us, HHLT Theme Parks, you do get to see our wonderful smiley faces screaming on roller coasters on that. Obviously no caravans on it, but there will be caravans in the future where we can book near it. So, anything to add?
No, just we do miss you guys, and we will be getting out more. So stay with us, and we do appreciate every single one of you. It really means a lot to us that you're around.
We miss you.
Yes, we do. So enjoy your camping and caravan if that's what you're doing at the moment with Well Gel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and we will definitely be seeing you guys next time.
Bye.